Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. To start the process, open your Google Chrome and search for Amazon.com. Here click on Account and Lists. Now click on Create a List. After that, click on Create a List. Now enter the list name as Wish List. Then click on Create List. As you can see, our wish list has been created. You can also change the privacy by clicking on Private. Now click on More. Here click on Manage List. Go to the Privacy and click on Public. Scroll down and you can change these options if you'd like. You can also change your shipping address from here. From here, you can share your shipping address with sellers. After that, click on Save Changes. As you can see, our wish list is set to the public. As you can see, there are no items in this list. Add items you want to shop for. You can also send a list to others. You can invite people from here. After that, click on Send List to Others. From here, you can invite someone. Anyone with a link can view your list without making edits. Click on View Only. Invite people by email or copy the link. Click on Copy Link. From here, you can copy your link. Open the new tab and paste that link. As you can see, our link has been successfully copied. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.